In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paze on Bank of America. It is very easy and quick process, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now to use Paze on your Bank of America, you need to follow this step. First is you can add your eligible credit card or debit card to Paze from your manage card settings page in your mobile or online banking. Once the card has been added, you can activate the Paze by clicking the activate button at the top of your page, and then you can also activate Paze within the online checkout experience at participating retailers. So look for the Paze logo during the checkout of many favorite online retailers, and then simply click the Paze logo and follow the prompts to complete checkout process. Now what we need to do is just go to the participating retailers that have accepted the Paze as a payment method, and then you can simply click on this Paze option and the Paze logo, and it will automatically open it, and then you need to follow the prompts to complete the transaction. So that is how you can use it. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.